Number 6, only this we have a different range, that's all basically. X equals sine inverse minus square root 3 over 2. This is going to be, we got an acute angle, we'll start with this. So sine is negative in third and fourth. So this is 60 and this is 60. We don't need those two. Now one angle is, we can come with okay, minus 60. Okay, minus 60. Also it's fine because minus 180. So if you take other way, that is minus 60 also fine. So we count already this one. Now the next hypotenuse is remaining, so we'll take positively this one. This is x equal 200 and 180 plus 60, 240. Now we have one, this one is minus 60, so at 360, so minus 60 plus 360, it means 300. Okay, 300 also fine, it is within the range. Then 300 plus 360, that is 660. 660, it is out of range, we don't need. Now we'll go back this one. So minus 60, take out 360, which is minus 420. So minus 420 also out of range, we don't need this. Now we'll take 240, right? So add 240 to go this direction. 240 plus 360, that is 600. 600 is more than 540 out of. So then 240, take it out 360. So that is minus 120. And minus 120, take another 360 out. Minus 480. So minus 480. So minus 480 is out of range. So only we have 4 answers. 30 minus 60. X equal minus 60. Actually, we'll start here minus 120. Then minus 60. Then 240. And the last one is 300. Part B, sin x equal this one. So sin x equals 0.3 over 2. X equal sine inverse minus 0.3 over 2. So the first answer is minus 8.63. Yeah, it is also acceptable answer. It is within the range. Now sine negative in third and fourth. So this is 8.63, 8.63. So already we have one. So this one we work the other way, the clockwise, and it is here. This branch is fine. Now we want to get this one. So this is, we'll start from here. This is going to be x equal 180 plus 8.63. So we know this is already out. This is not answer. 188.63. This is already out. So this is not the answer, but we will start. Minus 8.63. When you add 360, it is 8.63 at 360. 351.37. This is out because it is greater than. I will take out now minus 8.63 minus 360. So then this is going to be minus 368.63 minus 368.63. This is also less than. So this is also not the answer. From here only one answer remaining. So I pick up this one 188.63 188.63, which is not the answer already. If you, it's no point of adding, so we'll take 360 out and see 100.63 minus 360, that is minus 171.37. If you take another 360 out, we know definitely it is out. So we have only, this is also out, we have only two answers. So that is oh, I accidentally erase it. So x equal and x equal oh, you can come to this one to that one 180 minus 180 plus 8.63. Go 180, come back. Go 180 minus other one 8.63. So I work differently that one. Minus, so this is minus 171.37. X equal C, x equal cos inverse minus 0.809. It is 100.3.99. I'll approximately take 144. So x equal 144. This is not a acute angle. So we'll find the acute angle. So cos is negative. Okay, 144 in which quadrant? Second quadrant. So this is 144. So 180 minus 144 mean, so this is 36. Now we found out the acute angle. The cos is negative one, this one second and third. So we want to use these two angles. So x equal 144 is already one answer. It is in between. It's no point of going other 360 because it is go over. Now we'll go to this one from here to here. That is 180 plus 36. So we don't need this answer. It is greater than 136. Now, but it's still okay. We use this one. 180 plus 36. What is the answer? 216. So we have one is 144, other one is 216. It's no point of going adding 360 or taking out 360. It is out of range. 216. It's no point of adding. Already this is out. So shall I take 216 and out? So 360 out from 260. So that is minus 144. Minus 144 is within the range. So that is the another answer. Also you can come this minus 144 if you measure from here to here. still 100 and minus 84. So we have two answers now, x equal 144 and x equal minus 144. X equals inverse 0.84. So this answer D 32.9. So it is positive. Cos is positive on first and fourth. So 32.9 and 32.9. So minus 360 theta 0 or x. Now we can see when we look at this one, there's no point of measuring from positive side because we need all negative. So we'll start negative. The first one is minus 32.9 and the second one is negative 360.32.9 minus 327.1. So it's no point of going more than circles. So only two answer, x equal this one and x equal this one. What will happen if you come with the positive answers? Okay, x equal 32.9 and the other one. So this is one, another one. It's going to be x equal 360, positive 300 and 360 minus 32.9. So then this is going to be positive 327.1. So then you have two, one is 32.9, other one is 327.1. One is 32.9 and other one is 327.1. So you have to take out now 360s. So these answers both wrong now. It is out of range. And take 360s. Then you will get, eventually you will get those two answers. 32.9 minus 360 mean. So you will get here minus 327.1 and here 360 minus 360 327 plus 1 minus 360. You will get minus 32.9 here. Here x equal tan inverse square root 3 over 3, which is minus 30. This is acute, so we can work out. Tan is negative on this one and this one. So this is 30, this is 30. So we don't need to go negative side because it is start with 0, we will start with positive. So we have two options now. This is one, this is the other one. So this is x is 180 minus 30, which is 150. Another one is 360 minus 30, 330. Now we have 150 and then 330. Now we'll add 360s. 150 plus 360. So that is 510. And if I add other 360, so 870 out of range. So this is not the answer. So this is fine. Now 330 plus 360, 609. So that is fine. it is in 609 plus 360. Definitely it is more than 720, so we don't need. So we have four answers: x equal 150, x equal 510, x equal 330, and x equal 390, 690. 330 will write the ascending order. Tan x equal 2.9, x equal tan inverse 2.9. So x value is, angle is 71. So tan is positive on third and first. This is 71 and this is 71. So answer greater than 80. So one answer is 71. X equals 71 less than 80. So this is not the answer, but we'll give as a start 71. And the other one 180 plus 71. 200 and the one is 251. So that it is within the range. If I add 200 plus 6, another 60, it is going to be more than 500. So we don't need only 250. We'll add this one and see. 71 plus 360, 1, 431. Okay, 431 within the range. There are two answers: x equal 251 and 431. Question number 7. 2 cos x equal 3 sin x. I will write this as 3 sin x equal 2 cos x, still the same, right? A equal b mean b equal a. So I'll bring this one down. Sin now cos x equal 2 over 3. Tan x equal 2 over 3. But student A write 3 over 2. So that is the mistake. And part B, the student square this one. So 2 cos x, 3 sin x, he square everything. This is become 4 cos square equal 9 sin square x. Right? 4 cos square x equal y, and y equal 9 sin square x. So this is y equal 2 cos x, the sum. But now we are working with y equal 4 cos square x, two different curves. So it and you will get extra solutions for quadratic. And part C now, x equal tan inverse 2 over 3, which is 33.7. So we need the answer in between minus 180 x 180. So this is a good answer, and this is acute as well, so we can find. And tan is positive on this one and this one, so this is 33.7. So one starting point, we took that one, the other one this one. So this is going to be 180 plus 33.7. So that is already we know the greater than 180. Shall we come back from left side? The other way around. 180 so this is the angle size is 180 minus 33.7. 3.7, which is minus 146.3, and since it's come in this direction, it is minus 146.3. The other answer is minus 146.3. In case if you take this one, 180 plus 43.7, so this is 213.7. Then you have to take 360 out. Then you will get this answer again. Question number 8. There are two graphs, y equal cos x and y equal 2 sin x. So this is uh, y equal cos x and this is y equal 2 sin x. So those are the two graphs. Question A. Question B. Write down how many solutions. So you can see that this graph intersection in 2 points. So then we are expecting two solutions. Part C, we want to solve this algebraically, the way we solved earlier. So 2 sin x equal cos x. So tan x equal half. X equal tan inverse half. That value 26.6. So this is going to be 26.6. Now this is positive. Tan is positive on first one and third one. So this is 26.6. The other one is 180 plus 26.6. 206.6. The other angle. So this is 206.6. And there is no intersection point within 360 because the range is given up to 360. And number 9, tan square theta equal 9 and the range is 0 to 360. So this is look like x square equal 9, x square minus 9 equal uh, so x square minus 3 square, so x minus 3, x plus 3 equal 0, x equal 3 or x equal minus 3, or another way we can go x square equal 9, x equal plus or minus 3. So this is very short part. We take the square root of both sides. So x equal plus 3 or x equal minus 3. So we'll work tan theta equal plus or minus 3. So we have to work now there are two equations. Uh, tan theta equal 3 and tan theta equal minus 3. So theta equal tan inverse 3. So we can work since both sizes are same, we will get 7.6. If we take this is theta equal tan inverse minus 3, then this is minus 7.16. So we can work everything in one. So in other way we can see that it doesn't matter tan plus or negative, the size is same. So basically now if it is positive we have to consider two answers. If it is positive, this one and this one. If it is negative, we have to consider other two answers. So Still the size is same 7.16, 7.16, 7.6. So there are four angles now. Will work all together. One is 7.16. Yeah, it's within the range. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. One is 7.16. Other one is 180.7.16. So that is 108.4. So 108.4, and the other one 180, 180 plus 71.6. So 251.6. So the other one x equal 360 minus 7.6, 71.6. This is 288.4. Now when I look at this, all answers 0 to 360. If I add 360 here, so this is out. If I add 360 here, this is more than 360 then. This is more than 360 if I add. This is also more than. So we can't go to the, so if I take 360 out, I will get all minus answers. Then it is going to be minus. If I add, it is go over 360. If I minus, it is less than 0. So those are the only four answers left. So x equal, x equal, x equal, x equal. Number 10, when you look at this sum, we want to show like, write like this. So what is missing here? Cos is missing here. So how can I vanish cos here? So 4 sine square x minus 3 times 1 minus sine square x from identity. I know cos square plus sine square equal 1. So 4 sine square x minus 3 plus 3 sine square equal 2. So this is going to be 7 sine square equal minus 2 plus 2, 5. So sine square x equal 5 over 7. Then sine x equal plus or minus square root 5 over 7. Now two equations here. Sine x equal 5 over square root 7, or sine x equal minus 5 over square root 7. X equals sine inverse 5 over 7. X equals sine inverse minus square root 5 over 7. So then x equals this answer, you will get 57.7, and this is minus 57.7, and plus and negative is there, so we need all the answers, all quadrant answers. So this is 57.7, 57.7, 57.7. Now we need the range is 0 to 360. Now let's start from here. First answer is 57.7. The second answer, this one, 180, 57.7. The third answer, this one. Sorry, this one, 180 plus 57.7. The fourth answer is this one. 360 minus 57.7. Yeah, this is 57.7. This is 102.3, 237.7, 302.3. Now, we'll see if I add this one to 360, out of range. If I minus, out of range, so that is fine. So that one is okay, done. Now this one. If I add 360, out of range. If I minus, out of range, that is done. Then we'll take this one. 237. If I add 360, out of range. If minus 360 is still out of, that is done. This one. If I add 360, out of range, and if I minus negative, still out of range. So those are the only four answers. So x equal 57.7, 102.3, 237.7, and 300.3. Question number 11. This is the one we want to turn this one. So we can see cos is missing, so we want to vanish cos. Right? In the exam, you may get this kind of thing, this one. Solve this equation, then what do? Then you need to bring to this one to solve. Or either way around, other way around. Either cos, sine, or either cos. Don't mix sine and cos. So like now 2 sine square x plus 5 times 1 minus sine square x equal 1. 2 sine square x plus 5 minus 5 sine square equal 1. So this is going to be minus 3 sine square x equal 1 minus 5 minus 4. So it means sine square x equal 4 over okay, 3 sine square equal 4. We show this one. So sine square equal 4 over 3. It means sine x equal plus or minus square root 4 over 3. Two sets of answers. So x equal sine inverse 4 over 3. Another one is x equal sine inverse 4 over 3 negative. Okay, I think I also uh, missed my common sense. We discussed initially, you have to be sensible with this answer, this one. So square root 4 over 3, that is greater than 1. So this answer, square root 4 over 3 greater than 1. So sine is bouncing in between minus 1 and plus 1. So then what is, this is a good catch, but if you try to find from sine inverse square root 4 over 3, you can't find. You will get a math error in the computer. In the so there are no solutions as sine x greater than 1. Uh, Sine x should be minus 1 to 1. Hence no solution.